You connect to your VPN, open Netflix, and instantly get hit with a proxy error. You switch servers, same thing. Streaming platforms and restrictive firewalls have become extremely good at identifying VPN traffic, especially when a protocol leaves behind an obvious fingerprint. VPN protocols are the connection methods that a VPN uses to move encrypted traffic across the internet. In most VPN apps, they're usually buried in the settings menu under names like OpenVPN, WireGuard, or Lightway. OpenVPN has been one of the industry standards for years and is supported by almost every major VPN provider. Lightway is newer. It was developed by ExpressVPN with a focus on faster connections, lighter performance, and better behavior on unstable or restrictive networks. And quick disclosure here, our parent company is part of the same ownership group as ExpressVPN, but Lightway genuinely stands out when it comes to fast reconnects and handling unstable networks. But the reason protocols matter so much comes down to fingerprints. Every protocol creates recognizable traffic patterns during setup and connection. Some are easier for networks to identify than others. A simple way to picture it is this. OpenVPN is like walking through a security checkpoint carrying a giant metal briefcase covered in padlocks. It's secure, but it immediately attracts a bit of attention. Lightway is more like carrying a plain grocery bag. The contents are still protected, but from the outside, it blends in more naturally with normal traffic. And that difference becomes really important once streaming platforms, ISPs, or restrictive firewalls start actively looking for VPN traffic. The difference becomes much easier to notice on aggressive networks. Streaming platforms are a great example of this. Services like Netflix constantly monitor for VPN traffic. Sometimes they block the server IP itself. Other times they analyze how the connection behaves during setup and reconnects, and that's why changing servers does not always fix the proxy errors. And if Netflix is your main issue, we also made a separate video focused specifically on how to fix Netflix proxy errors and improving streaming reliability. OpenVPN reconnects more slowly when networks change or connections drop. Every reconnect creates another visible handshake that filtering systems can inspect. Lightway reconnects much faster and handles network switching more smoothly, and if your phone moves from hotel Wi-Fi to 5G, the connection usually recovers with less interruption. The gap here becomes even more noticeable in restrictive countries like Russia. So if your VPN keeps getting blocked, interrupted, or stuck on proxy errors, then switching protocols can sometimes make a bigger difference than switching servers. We've linked to our full technical comparison between Lightway and OpenVPN in the description down below if you want a deeper breakdown on the technology behind both protocols. And if you want to test Lightway for yourself, we've also included our ExpressVPN link down below. We update that regularly with the best available pricing, and most plans currently include up to 4 extra months for free for new users. Also, if you made it to the end of this video, comment protocol switch and I'll reply with one lesser known trick that VPN providers use to reduce detection on streaming platforms and restrictive networks. But as always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.